What's up, YouTube family? So we're gonna hop right in it. First, I'm starting off by doing my eyebrows, and I'm just gonna carve my eyebrows out. My eyebrows are really pretty much already full. I'm just kind of defining them for just to make them pop just a little bit more. So I'm still carving my eyebrows out. A lot of people ask me how I do my eyebrows, and as you see, I don't really have to do much. Just kind of outline them. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and start arching them with my concealer. I used the LA Pro concealer in the color Fawn. And then I also use the e.l.f. concealer in the color beige, and I mix those. By mixing those, it really creates a solid, full coverage foundation for my concealer. And I really love how it looks. And this actually started off, I was going to do another look, but I just kind of like the look that I was going for. So I'm just carving out my eyebrows. And so this is how I would normally do my eyebrows. So if you want an eyebrow tutorial, let me know down below in the comments, please. Because I will be willing to do one to show you guys in depth the products I use, how I slay my brows. And I'm just using a flat brush. That kind of makes it go quicker. I was using an angle brush, but this flat brush gives me more coverage and I don't have to do as much. So I'm just tracing the outline of my brow, and then I'm going to go in on top. I'm going to go in on top and define that as well, so it just pops and flows all together. Okay, so next I'm just going to take a blending brush and kind of blend that all together just to make sure it's all blended out. Even after I blend it still looks a little crazy, but that's okay because the final look is bomb. So I'm just going to blend it out, and I start blending from the outer. I start blending out. Then I just take a big kabuki brush and brush it all out together. Okay, so now I'm going in with my smaller blending brush just to make sure I have blended out everything. I don't have any harsh lines or anything like that under my eyebrows because that is not cute, honey. So blend, blend, blend. Okay, so next I'm just going to go in with the Beauty Blender. I have a little powder on my blender that just kind of helps conceal and blend everything out. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the blue eyeshadow, and I'm going to blend all the way up, almost all the way to the top of my eyebrow, and I'm going to do the same thing for the other eye. And this is a dark blue, and the colors really don't matter, just as long as you're building. You have to build, like use multiple shades of the same color to get a good look. So next I'm going to go in with the royal blue, and I'm going to blend on top of that first blue. So this is my second layer of blues that I am blending together. Blend it out, blend it out, blend it out. So next I'm going to go in with the deeper shade of blue, and I'm going to kind of cut my crease, kind of smoke it out just a little bit because I'm going to do a cut crease. So I'm just smoking it out. And I just want to blend all of those shades of blue together. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the darker shade of blue. And as you see, it's a little darker towards the corners of my eye. And I'm just smoking the corner of my eye out. So this is my concealer. I'm going to go in and cut my crease, and I'll show you how to do that. I use the same concealer I use to do my eyebrows to cut my crease. It's always easier for me to do my left eye than it is my right eye. I don't know why that is. I'm pretty sure other ladies have the same problem, but I think it's because I'm right-handed. So look how good that looks already. This is just like the second or third step. Not even close to being done. Now I'm just making sure that I'm getting that cut crease really good. I'm not missing any spots. And it all looks flat, not really streaky. Even it out. So next I'm just putting a powder, a loose powder on top of that concealer where I used to cut it, so it's not really cakey or it doesn't wear off after really quick. I'm just gonna pat that out and I'm gonna let it dry before I apply my next eyeshadow on top of that. So now I'm just going in with a yellow. That'll be my base color. I love these two combinations together. It's really bold, but it's really pretty together. Look at those colors together, it's so pretty. Yeah, I love those colors together. And so I'm just going in with the second shade of yellow and piling that on top. And like I said, the key to getting good bold colors is mixing colors. Then I'm gonna go in with the yellow and kind of blend it out as my transition shade, just so it doesn't look so harsh. That orange really makes it pop. I love that orange on there, it's pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the little shimmer. This is like a bronze type of shimmer, and it really flows well with the yellow and the orange, so I went ahead and added that on top of that yellow. And I'm just gonna lightly blend it out. I didn't want to use too much. So now I'm gonna go in with a little more gold detail towards the tear ducts in my eye. And now I'm applying eyeliner so I can slay this wing. And I'm using the eyeliner from Dollar Tree, and I always use this little eyeliner. My eyes are really sensitive, so some eyeliners burn my eyes, so this is really one of the only ones that I can use that doesn't have a lot of chemicals in it and doesn't leave my eye irritated. And it's only $1. And so as you see, I did go a little far down, but I'm going to show you how to fix it if you do mess up on your eyeliner. No problemo. Dust that off your shoulder. Okay, so now I'm just going to apply my foundation. And I'm going to use that same brush I used to do my eyebrows. And I use Milani in the color Amber in the number 11. Milani is by far one of the best foundations I have ever used. You can find it at your local Walgreens for about $10, and it gets the job done. It's one of the inexpensive ones, but I can compare it up there to MAC and NARS and all of those pretty expensive brands. For $10, I mean, you can't beat the coverage and the foundation. It's just a good investment, especially if you're starting off makeup and you really don't know what you're doing, so you don't want to spend $40 for a foundation. This foundation will do you good. And once again, this is Milani. You can find this at any Walgreens. They have a range of colors for every type of skin tone, so make sure you pick that up and thank me later. Okay, so I'm just going in with the smaller blender blush just to make sure that I didn't miss any spots where I'm supposed to have foundation. And I'm going to do the other side as well. Okay, so now I'm just going to go in with my concealer again, and I'm going to highlight, and this is in the same color Fawn by LA Pro Concealer. And I'm just going to highlight right underneath my eye, my nose, and my chin, and my forehead, and blend it in with the Beauty Blender. So I'm just going to keep blending everything out, make sure everything flows really nicely. We don't want any harsh lines or anything like that in our makeup. So now I'm just going to set underneath my eye with a translucent powder, and I'll wipe that off later. Now I'm contouring the top of my forehead with a brown powder, and I'm going to contour the side of my cheeks. I'm just going to blend all it in and wipe off the remaining residue. And this just really helps your face not to look so white or just one tone. Now I'm going to pop these lashes off. I have the hardest time putting eyelashes on with nails, and I normally would use the applicator, but I couldn't find my little lash applicator. So I just had to try to struggle with my finger. I cannot put my lashes on with nails on. Like, it is really, really a struggle. And these are just some beauty supply lashes. Look at those colors, so pretty. So as you see, putting on lashes for me with these nails was a struggle, but anyway, I got them on. So now I'm just going to apply some highlight. This is my favorite part because I love to glow. And I am using Rihanna's highlight in the color Rum and Cinnamon. I use both of them, I just mix them. Now I'm going to go in underneath my waterline and kind of put some purple there. And I love, this is a pretty purple. I love that color, it's pretty. Look at those colors. Okay, so now I'm just going to apply mascara to my top lash and my bottom lash. Put on a little liner. I always line your lipstick, ladies. Do not put on no lipstick, no lip gloss if you are not going to line your lips first. And this is how you line your lips. You can either use a brown eyeshadow or you can use a brown pencil to trace the outlines of your lip, and it makes your lipstick or lip gloss pop so much. Okay, so here's the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what type of videos you would like to see next, whether makeup, vlogs, talking videos, whatever. Just let me know. Thanks for watching. See you next time.